In this video, I'm going to show you how to use assist.org, which is a website that we use to see what major prep courses you need for your major for a particular Cal State University or UC. So I'm going to share my screen and let's go to assist.org. So assist.org. Remember, this website is only for public universities within California. So it's for Cal States and UCs to see what classes you'll need for your specific major to complete before you transfer to the UC or Cal State. So if we scroll down here, the first institution is always the community college that you're coming from. So we're going to look for LA Trade Tech College, and then you're going to select the school that you're interested in. So let's say I'm going to choose UC Santa Cruz, and then I click on view agreements once I've selected the university I'm interested in. And I want to make sure that this part says view agreement by major. So that means that I have to change the academic year until it says view agreements by major. So now we have by major. So some of the schools are updated and some of them have not yet on this website. So again, we want to make sure it says view agreement by major and what the academic year is. So now here I'm going to select my major. So say I'm interested in anthropology. I'm going to select anthropology and I'm going to click on view agreement on the blue button. Now I have the articulation agreement PDF. So you always want to read this beginning part. It's going to be specific to the program and the school, what they're looking for in terms of transfer. But in terms of this assignment, what we want to know are the lower division major prep courses that you need to complete at the community college level before transferring. So when you're looking at these courses down here, you want to look at the right side of courses. These are the names of the courses at Trade Tech that are going to be equivalent to what they want you to complete. So I know for my major, I need to complete Anthro 101 and Anthro 102. So that on your major exploration journal assignment, that's what I would be listing. Anthro 101, Human Biological Evolution, 3 units, and Anthro 102, Human Ways of Life, Cultural Anthropology, 3 units as my major prep courses. Now, some majors will have more major prep courses needed than others. So let's see if I try one more school just to give you an idea. So I'm going to go back to the home page. I'm going to change my school. Let's do a Cal State now. So I'm going to do Cal State Northridge. And now I think they're a little bit more updated, so I'm going to put 2019-2020, click on View Agreements. It does say View Agreement by Major. And let me see, I'll pick a different major this time. Say I'm interested in psychology for Cal State Northridge. I pick psychology, I click on View Agreement. And now I have information. And again, I want to look at the right side of courses. So now I know for a psychology major, to get into CSUN, I need to complete Psych 1, General Psychology, 3 units, Psych 2, Biological Psychology, 3 units, and then I need a statistics course. Now when it says or, you want to make sure you're taking note of that. It means that you have a choice of which stats class you want to take. So I know that I only need one stats class, so I can choose from either Math 225, Math 227, or Math 227 with support. So you would select one of these and taking note that each one is a different amount of units. So that would mean for my major prep, for my journal major exploration, I would list Psych 1, General Psychology, 3 units, Psych 2, Biopsychology, 3 units, and then I would choose one of these. So I'll choose Math 225, Intro Statistics, 3 units. And that's how you look at Assist. So again, this is if you want to transfer to a 4-year university, either a Cal State or a UC, which are public universities in California, and that we need to know the major information. So this is what you're going to be using for your major exploration journal, and then we'll start talking about it more in terms of your educational planning as the weeks go on.